everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this Christmas makeup look using the Conspiracy palette. And if you are new here, then hi, I'm Joanna and I do all kinds of makeup and beauty videos, so consider subscribing. It helps me a lot. Actually, I am still trying to get the 500 subscriber goal for this year, so you would help me so much. And without any further ado, if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing everything on camera, and I'm starting with my brows. I'm using the Cien Brow Perfect brush and pen, and this is from LIDL. And for eyeshadow primer, I'm using the Kiko Neutral Eye Base. So as I mentioned on my previous video, for this Christmas look, I'm using the ShaneXJeffree Conspiracy palette. And I'm starting by taking the shade Not Effect, and I'm going to pack this shade on my crease and a little bit above. You can see it better like that. This kind of in a rounded shape all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner. So on this crease area, I am blending it a little bit just with the same brush to make it more even. And now I am blending the edge of this with the shade Flaming Hot. And I'm just taking a brush with no shadow on it to blend a little bit of the edge of this. Now on my lid, I'm using the shade Just a Theory, and this will be kind of a halo eye. And I'm just blending a little bit this transition with a brush with nothing on it. And I think I'm filling a wing liner with this, so I'm going to use the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my waterline and the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic. Okay, so now moving on to face. I am priming with the NYX Pore Filler Primer. And I love this one, especially on my enlarged pores, to really give it a super smooth base. And you definitely don't need much with this. For foundation, I'm using the Kiko Full Coverage 2-in-1. And I'm just adding a little bit more foundation on to conceal these spots. Basically using it as a concealer because it is. Under my eyes, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define. Actually, I think I need to get another one of these because the shade C6 is almost empty. Now for powder, I'm using the Kiko Matte Fusion Pressed Powder. For my bronzer, I'm using the Kiko Gold Waves bronzer. That looks like this. For blush, I'm using the Kiko Lip Melats blush. This is kind of a coral with a little bit of a gold shimmer. And for my highlighter, I'm using the Soft Revolution Highlighter Palette. And I am taking this second shade. Now, for my lower lash line, I'm going to do something very simple. I'm just using the shade Illuminati. And now, for my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to use the shade Wrench, and my brush is a little bit stained from food videos but doesn't have any shadow on it. So I'm just using again these two on my lower lash line, and then I'll come back to do lipstick. And as this look is already very colorful, I'm going to do something neutral for the lips. I'm using the Revolution Matte Liquid Lipstick in Chauffeur. Finally, to set this look, I'm using the Kiko Prime and Fix Refreshing Mist. Okay, and this is the finished look. I am super happy with how the eyes turned out. It's very colorful and fun, just like Christmas is supposed to be. And if you liked this look and if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot, and also let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know where you are spending Christmas. I'm spending Christmas with my parents and also my fiance's parents. And if you like videos like this, then my next video is going to be my New Year's Eve makeup suggestion, kind of following the holiday theme. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!